Hey guys, just wanted to review the stocks that I called before the market opened today. We were looking at Mo, Nike, PM, and MPC. So let's look at the stocks. Okay, Mo, we were looking at this morning. The stock actually gapped up on some news that they were canceling merger talks. So since this was already a weak stock, I was looking to short the stock and have it go lower, based on this daily chart pattern. So pre-market, I was saying if it goes below this area, I wanted to get short. However, if it goes above, I would be looking to take the stock long. Market opened up. It just came in really hard. The first setup was right here. So I actually played it here, took it down, took some shares off in here, and then it did the little bounce, 1, 2, 3, 4. Couldn't get any higher than this area. So I actually caught it in a trading room to get short right here at 40.86, with the target one being here at 40.53. Bounced, and then my ultimate target was actually this area right here on the pre-market. So I called it in the trading room to take profits at 39.95. However, when it came right in here, it went to 96, and then I have moved my stop down, so it took me out right in here for my last piece. But this was the actual target for the play. And as you can see, it came down, went a little bit further, and then turned around, and that was it for the play. So nice, easy trade, worked out very well. Next stock was PM. Same thing. I wanted to go short PM, and I wanted to go long over this base. It just so happens that when it ran up, it went over bought. You cannot go long if something's overbought. That's your indicator to go short. So right here is where it's set up to go short. Pulled in, now it's oversold. This is your exit. Let it play around. So I'm watching it and I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. And again, I don't like when a stock does this because it's still going higher, 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 but it hasn't taken out the high of the day. So once it pulled in and it's set up, I actually put it in the chat room here that once it sets up on this 1 minute sell to get short. So the target was here. The entry was here. The target one was down here. It bounced. The target two was in this area. And that was it. It set up again. I did play the stock, but my count was off in here, so I actually killed the trade right in here before it took off. So that's how that one played out. My biggest disappointment was Nike. Nike was just choppy. It opened up, it ran up, went oversold. Went overbought. You couldn't go long, you had to wait for it to come in, and then when it came in, it failed. So I like to see the stock come in, do a reversal, and it came in, took this bar out, came down, went lower, then it did a reversal here, came in. So it was just a mess today with Nike. So I did take a loss on this stock. It was just didn't set up properly, and didn't work. So it happens. And then the last one was the MPC, which actually worked out really well. Stock was a nice, easy trade. It set up perfectly right in here. Try to get 3 bars down, no follow through, no follow through, no follow through. The entry was right here. The target one was the high of the day. It pulled in after target one. I added some shares back in here and took profits here for target one on my new entry, and then I left the rest for the end of the day. So worked out pretty well. It really was a choppy day. The Qs, as a bonus, the Qs, actually, the Qs were gapping down. Then right before the market, the Qs went positive. So once the market opened up, it just fell in hard. It gave you this red to green move. This was your long on the Qs, and then just trail all day. It took you and just did a train. Now, I did not play the Qs. It wasn't on my list, but I will be making a note to recognize when the market is down and then it ends up positive before the open, to watch for something to set up like this. Okay, I hope this video helps. And again, these are not trade recommendations, just how I like to play my board for the day. I'll talk to you guys soon.